Morning my dear students, hope you all are doing well. So let's start with computer class. Chapter number 2, chapter name is TuxPaint. So today I will tell you how to apply stamp tool in TuxPaint. So what is stamp tool? It is a simple tool that is used to put a stamp and add images in your drawing. TuxPaint already has some inbuilt stamps, means we no need to make any drawing or any picture. We simply click on stamp tool and put a stamp and add image in our drawing. So I will tell you how to use stamp tool in your drawing area. Firstly, click on stamp. This is your stamp tool. Where you found the stamp tool? Firstly, click on tools, then click on stamp. Now look here in sub tools. These are the stamps. You can choose any shape according to your need. Okay, like I will click on this stamp. Firstly choose the stamp, then drag into your drawing area, and this is the mirror. If you want to rotate your image, then click on mirror icon and drag into your drawing area. This is the way how to use a stamp tool in TuxPaint. Okay, now next is pattern brush shape. TuxPaint gives us an option to draw beautiful patterns using the paint tool. We can select any of the pattern shape from the sub toolbox. Okay, I will tell you how to apply pattern brush shape. So firstly I will remove this drawing with the help of eraser tool. Okay, now I will make one scenery. So I will use line tool and I will choose a green color. Now I will make a one line. I will make one more line, and this is the third line. Okay, now I will make a grasses. So I will use paint tool for freehand drawing. Clear? I will leave here space for making a tree stand. Clear? Now I will choose a brown color. Here I will make a tree stand. Clear? Have you enjoyed with TuxPaint? Now I want to fill here color. So I will choose fill with color tool and I will choose brown color. Now fill in tree stem. Now I want to fill color in tree stem. So I will choose fill with color tool and click on brown color and drag into your drawing area. This is the way how to fill the color. Now I will fill in grass. So firstly I will complete this drawing. Now I will choose fill with color tool and I will choose green color. Now press here. This is the way how to fill color. Now I will tell you about pattern brush shape. Okay, so I will make here tree leaves. So how I will make a tree leaf? Select the vine shape. How you will select this vine shape? Firstly click on paint tool. Now look here so many shapes will become in sub toolbox. Okay, now drag down and I will choose a vine shape. This is your vine shape. Click on it. Now look here. It's so beautiful. You will see a beautiful tree. Okay, look here. This is the way how to use pattern brush shape. Okay, firstly select the paint tool, then move to subtools area and select the vine shape. Students, now I will tell you about lines tool. Lines tool is used to draw straight lines and straight pattern. It works quite similar to the pen tool. The line tool has the same brush shapes in the sub tool box in the pen tool. Now I will tell you how to use line tool. In line tool, how to use the patterns. So firstly I will make a new drawing. So I will choose the white color. Now I will tell how to apply. Firstly click on line tool. Now look here, right side so many shapes are there. I will choose this shape and I will choose red color. Now see, this is the line tool pattern. Okay. If you want to make a beautiful card, if you want to make any scenery with pattern tools, so you will choose a line tool, and in sub tools these all are the stamps. I will choose this stamp, click on it, then I will choose a color. Now look here, drag into your drawing area. Oh, wow, it's so beautiful. Okay, this is the way how to apply pattern with the help of line tool. Okay my student, now I will choose one more stamp and I will choose the color. Look here, I will change the color. Wow, so beautiful pattern of this is the cat. Okay, I will choose another stamp. I will choose the color also. So this is the way how to apply pattern in drawing area with the help of line tool. Okay my student, next is saving a file. TuxPaint provides an easy method to save work using the save tool. There is no need to mention the file name. TuxPaint saves your file as a thumbnail rather than giving it a file name. So in TuxPaint we don't need to write a file name. We simply click on save button and it saves our file as a thumbnail. Okay, so I will click on save button. So our file is saved. Now how you will check your file is saved or not? So how to open a file? Opening a saved file. To open an already saved file, click on the open tool. You will see all the images that have been saved in TuxPaint till the date. Click on the image that you want to open and click on the open button. So I will want to open a previous image, so I will click on open button. This is my open tool. Now look here, so many pictures are there that you have been saved in TuxPaint. So I want to open this picture, so click on it. Look, this picture will be shown in your drawing area. This is the way how to open a picture. And if you want to save this picture, then click on save option. If you want to open a new page, then click on new. Okay, if you want to apply magic, like you want to apply flower, you want to apply grass, you want to apply foam, you want to apply brick, so click on magic tool. If you want to fill color, then click on fill with color tool. If you want to write any text, then click on text tool. If you want to make any lines, then click on line tool. And if you want to make any freehand drawing, then click on pen tool. If you want to apply any shape, then click on stamp tool. Okay, like I want to apply here bird, look here. Okay, if you want to apply any shape, then click on shape tool. Here so many shapes are there. These are unfilled shape and these are filled shape. Okay, and if you want to erase any unwanted drawing, then click on eraser tool. If you want to print any drawing, if printer is attached with your computer or printer, then you will click on print. Okay, so these are the tools of TuxPaint. Hope you all understood this concept. So take care. Bye.